She's got love in her hands, yeah, she's cooking up magic. Every flavor, every touch, making life so classic. A mama with a heart so strong, she's giving her best, and making sure her world is blessed, never settling for less. She's a queen in the kitchen, queen of the style, slaying every braid, every twist with a smile. And when the camera's rolling, she's creating a vibe, making moments last forever, bringing dreams alive. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, a place where love and passion unfold, making beauty, sharing light, lifting hearts, shining bright. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, yeah. Late nights, early mornings, she's chasing her grind. From the curls to the plates, every move so refined. She's a wife, she's a mother, she's the best at what she do, keeping faith in her heart, always seeing it through. She's a queen in the kitchen, queen of the style, slaying every braid, every twist with a smile. And when the camera's rolling, she's creating the vibe, making moments last forever, bringing dreams alive. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, a place where love and passion unfold, a place where love and passion unfold, making beauty, sharing light, lifting hearts, shining bright. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, yeah, yeah. God first, every step she takes, faith in her soul, never gon' break. She's more than a name, she's a whole inspiration, showing the world her dedication. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, oh, feeling the love everywhere she goes, cooking up dreams, smiling with grace, content so real you can't replace. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world, yeah. World, her dedication. Mabel Maggio-Pucci's world.